Good morning, Jim King with Piers Team out here in Lawson, Missouri. We've got a project here. We started off originally with a 3 Pier II project. One right here, one in that corner, and one over here on the other side of that garage door. And the owner of the house, when I came out here originally, did not show me that they had a room addition over here. It's a slab on grade. Walk over here and I'll show you. Right here it is. And it's just a slab on grade, no frost footing. And if you look at this door here, let me shut the door mat so you can see. It's way off kilter. Come back here and look at it. And that's because the slab, when they added on to this room, this was the existing home. It wasn't done yet, but when they poured the pad, they drilled holes in the side of the existing wall, doweled into it, did not properly compact the subgrade. There's no frost footing, so over time the slab tilted. It's caused problems in here, and so we're going to put another 2 Pier IIs, probably one right here and one in the center of this north wall here, and that will be enough to raise this up perfect for the homeowners. So stay tuned as we get going on this project. I've got Colby out here digging on it. It's only a 3-pier hole right now, so stay tuned. King Piers out here in Lawson. Check us out on Facebook, King Piers LLC. You can go to our YouTube channel, give us a subscribe to our channel, and you get to see these great videos of proper foundation repair. Foundation Repair 101, Engineering 101. We don't get paid to tear up your house, we get paid to fix it. That's why we video everything. 816-288-4373 or www.kingpiers.com. Thank you.